Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we are gonna look at how to send personal messages in Zangi. Now let us begin. Well, do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, well, do it right now. The process is quite easy. We have also created a tutorial regarding that as well, so worry not. Now let us simply look at how to send the personal messages. Right here, as you can see, this right here is my name. If I simply click on it, from here I can send my personal messages. In case you do not find this, what you guys can do is simply go to settings at the bottom right, click on the button right here, and you will be redirected to this page. Well, from here, just below invite friends, you can see something called as personal messages. Click on it right now, and once again you will be redirected to the personal messages section. From here, share whatever you wish. As you can see, I am doing it right now. And guys, that is it. As such, you guys can send personal messages in Zangi. As you guys can see, the process is quite easy. Well guys, that is it. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.